I got no regrets, and I remember the day that we met. There was no way that I could forget you, so I followed you home, and I waited till you were alone. And I crept into your room while you slept. I laid next to you and I knew that I could never let you go.
We got is it video? Oh my god, look how hairy my legs are.
Ew, you should bring me a razor so I can shave my legs.
Shave our legs.
Let's do it! Get us.
What's doing something like
Is
that?
it taping us? Are you serious? It's recording?
No, I don't think it is.
I think it is.
Oh my god.
Okay, anyways, we're in the bathtub.
And we need a rubber ducky.
And Kylie's grandma's here helping us.
Yeah, say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
You gotta come in here and say hi.
No,
Come on, come in.
I'm not getting all this.
I need a
stuff.
razor so I can shave my legs. Hey, Kylie. And with my nose. And with my nose, my mouth is full of bubbles. Oh my god, it's in my eye. My mouth is full of bubbles. And I can't open my eyes. I can't open my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's on my face. See if you can blow bubbles. Oh, can you guys see me? I don't know. I can't see anything. Look, what if you put it on your nose and see if you can blow it out your nose? Ew.
How much video do you want?
A lot.
Where's
what are you doing?
Take it to
You look like Michael Jackson! You look like Michael Jackson! How did you open your eyes? I couldn't. You look like Michael Jackson! Ew, I put it in the ground! It's right here. I think I just about peed in this. My belly button.
My belly button ring.
It's like popping out. What?
Yeah.
I'm getting this soap everywhere. Breakfast truffle. Oh, it hurts so much. Good guys.
We're slipping.
It's in my eye. It's in my eye. Your boob doesn't fall out again, Breezy. Oh, look at my nose ring. Never mind. Let's
Put the
wrestle.
bubbles back in.
Anyways, we're in the bathtub, and we need some rubber duckies and
We need
some
some
razor soap. Look how many razor spray.
We need some more soap.
Your legs. Hold on. Go like this so the soap comes in.
Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Oh my god, you just threw bubbles at the camera.
I'm sorry. Ow! I just broke my toe.
Will this make us have more bubbles?
My toe.
Yes.
Oh my.
Yeah, keep it like that.
I feel clean
See if
now.
who's taping this. Okay, well we got to go. We'll make a new one.
Oh, I can't touch it.
We'll see you next time. Peace. Bye. Bye at the rubber ducky.
I'm afraid that you've caught me by surprise.